Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart and Friends midweek haul for you if you are new here. And this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here. I am Shay. Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So listen, y'all, as far as today, I think I need 15 offers for 3. I have the larger bonus as well, and I'm hoping that I can knock that out. That would be freaking awesome. That is the goal, is to see if I can knock that out without going broke. Today is going to be a lot, okay? The least you could do is hook your girl up by liking this video, okay? That's the least you could do. As far as today, I will be doing mostly Be Frugal because the points are more. You're getting back more money there. So a lot of the deals today will be Frugal. I think I have Upromise just for the Yasso, which I need to stop getting ice cream now because your girl's got a problem. I've got a flipping problem. I got so much damn ice cream at home between Yasso, that one I got at Sprouts, protein pints. I got so much ice cream at home. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. If I had a fitness coach come in my house and look at they would throw it all out. Look, Shay, we got to throw it all out. We just start all over. Let's just start all over. And these right here are bomb. I finished them yesterday waiting for Josiah to get out of school. These sweet cakes right here, these right here is giving Drizzlicious a run for their money. I mean, Drizzlicious is a whole nother ballpark. But these right here are so freaking good. It took me 2 days to put them down, and I ate this whole bag, which is like 5 serving sizes, and I ate them in 2 days. So good. But yeah, I got so much ice cream at home, so I did do that for Upromise because you're getting back $6 there. And that's the thing with the sister apps, always check them all because a lot of times there's varying amounts. Like some I had 3, some was 5, and then Upromise was 6, so of course I'm gonna do it there. Did the Arm & Hammer at Food for Less again, but it didn't work out quite as great as I wanted it to because reading is fundamental. I did deals at Target. I think I put those up on my community tab. I did a deal at Family Dollar, which I haven't been in forever. But I couldn't pass up that deal on the Purox. So I went and did that deal after I took Josiah to school this morning. Biggest tip I'm going to give y'all, because I hate to hear, when I got home, what had happened? I got home to submit all my receipts. I had all my receipts and I was trying to scan them, and the rebate was gone. That's because you're supposed to submit your receipt before you leave the store, okay? Submit your receipts before you leave the store. Don't wait until you get home, because guess what? It's not going to be there. I hate to break it to you. It's not going to be there. So always submit before you leave the store. I will sit there at the little subway in the Walmart and submit all my receipts. Deadass. Because I'm not leaving no money on the table. And if you wait till you get home, it's going to be a bunch of money on the table. Well, not really, because you're going to have to waste your time and gas to take it back to the store. Nobody wants to do that. So, with that being said, because your girl's been talking for like 5 minutes, again, don't forget to smash the like button, support your girl. Don't forget to hype your girl up. With that being said, I will see you guys at Walmart for some awesome deals. Okay, so this first deal is on the Yasso. I'm going to go ahead and grab this deal this week. It looks like they're priced at $5.48. So I'll be grabbing a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $10.96. I do have an offer on Upromise that's gone up to $6. I'll be doing that, as well as $1.50 back on Ibotta, and then 2 on Fetch, making them both a 4-cent moneymaker. All right, y'all. So this deal here is on the half day. They are on rollback for $1.86. For this, 2 different offers for $1.10 with a limit of 3. And then we have 50 cents on Ibotta. It's going to make each one an 84-cent moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Barella Tortellini. It's priced at $5.23. For this, you want to grab a total of 3 of them. That's going to come to $15.69. $1.50 back for each on Ibotta. We have 3 different offers on Fetch Reward, $2 for each one. We have 70 cents for each one, and then we have 50 points for every $1. So it's going to basically make these only 77 cents each. This one here is on the Barami pasta. They're priced at $3.24. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. That total is going to come to $6.48. We do have a buy one get one free offer for aisle. We also have one for social nature as well, and $1 for each on Ibotta. It's going to make that a $2 moneymaker. So this deal here is on the Premier Protein Soda. I found it on this little situation with all of the. Oh, I see it. Do I see a hang tag or what's that? I think we have an offer for this at Target. Buy one, get one free for Ibotta. I'm gonna grab a couple of these. Yeah, so this offer is on this little thing they have set up for protein supplements and stuff. So I'm gonna grab the Premier Protein Soda. It's priced at $2.48. We have an offer on aisle, making this absolutely free. All right, so we're gonna be grabbing the Ocean Spray deal. I feel like I haven't did this deal in a minute. I'm gonna do it for my dad's girlfriend because she's down to her last bottle and she really likes it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal for her. So we're gonna grab the zero sugar. It's priced at $3.67. Two of them is gonna be $7.34, getting back $5.26 on Be Frugal, and 2 on Checkout 51 to make them 4 cents per bottle. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and max it out and grab 4. I'm gonna go over this deal only because I literally just found some little peelies. They're buy one get one free. Good till the end of December. I only found like 3 of them though. Oh, 2 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal on the sparkling ice packets right here, priced at $3.47. So I'm gonna grab 2 of them. We'll use a BOGO coupon. We'll pay $3.47 and get back $1.75 for each one on Ibotta. It'll basically make them both a 3-cent moneymaker. So I think I'm gonna grab 4 and hope that this scans in self-checkout. But definitely be on the lookout for little peelies, not peelies, but tear pads here. And then there's also this one here as well. All right, so I'm gonna be grabbing this deal again. The offer went up on Be Frugal, so we're gonna grab the liquid price at $3.43, and we're gonna grab the cubes at $3.77. It's gonna come to $7.20. We'll get back $1.75 on Ibotta and $4.41 on Be Frugal. I'm making them only $1.04 for both. All right, so this deal here is on the Windex. I just happened to see that it's on rollback for $3.12. We have $1 back on Checkout 51, one of the sister apps, and 50 cents on Ibotta. It's gonna bring that down to 62 cents, which is not a bad deal. All right, next up is the Purex. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal again. Because I only have one, and I told y'all when I sell stuff, I gotta sell in cents, so I'll have to buy another one. Priced at $5.97. I'm gonna use $1 hang tag. It'll bring it down to $4.97. And then getting back $2.50 on Ibotta will make that $2.47. Now for this, it's Purex. It's all soft scrub and dial. There's a threshold offer on Fetch, spend 40, get back 8, so it'll be tracking for that. Yeah, I'm also gonna grab a Purcell as well. It's on rollback for $4.88. I have a $2 hang tag for that. It'll bring it down to $2.88, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, would then make that $1.38. So I'm gonna be grabbing the Molly Suds again. It's on the pods. Looks like they're priced at $12.97. We have a $7 offer and we have a $9 offer. So it's gonna basically bring this down to a $3.03 moneymaker, which is not bad. And I'm hoping it does G-word again as well. All right, so this next deal is on the dial. It's on a foaming antibacterial defense. For this offer, you have to get either the Power Berries or the, I want to say the spring water one. This one works for the sister app offer, but it doesn't work for Ibotta. So grabbing 2 of these here, price at $2.72 is going to come to $5.44. We'll get back $3.28 on Be Frugal, 50 cents on Ibotta, making them 83 cents each. All right, so next up is going to be the Axe. So the sticks here are priced at $4.97. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. That's going to come to $9.94, getting back $5.55 on Be Frugal for buying 2, and $1.50 for each on Ibotta is going to make it 69 cents each. We also have an offer on the larger Axe sprays, which are priced at $6.88. So you'll grab 2 of them. That's going to come to $13.76. Again, getting back $5.55 on Be Frugal. This is a different offer. And then 5 on Ibotta is going to make it $1.60. Now, if you grab 4 of them, you'll get back $1 bonus on Ibotta. It's going to bring them down to only 90 cents each. All right, y'all, so this deal here is on the Swagbucks. I noticed that on the sister apps, like yesterday, we started getting different offers that we don't normally see. And this was one of them on the Swagbucks. It's priced at $14.97. Now for this, you want to grab two. We have different offers on Ibotta. We have one for the deep. We have one for the color protect. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of each. That total is going to come to $29.94. We have an offer on BeFrugal for $15.52. We have $6 for each on Ibotta plus a $2 bonus for getting two. And then I have an offer on Fetch that actually doubled this morning to $3.60, which was cool. Making them both a $3.18 moneymaker. So I've been seeing Miss Danielle do the swap body wash deal, and I figured, you know what, that's actually not a bad deal. It looks like they're priced at $2.97, so 3 of them is going to be $8.91, getting back 4 on Ibotta, and 4 on Checkoff 51 would make them only 30 cents each. But I don't really like the strawberry cream one. I think I'm gonna grab a different scent because, yeah, but either way it goes, it's still not going to be a bad deal. So we are at Target. I only have a few deals to share. So for the Righteous Felons offer for aisle, I did have a $5 one, which I did. They sent me a buy one, get one free as well. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Little Rebels priced at $15.99. I paid $31.98 out of pocket, got back the $15.99 from aisle, $3 for each on Ibotta, $6 for each on Checkoff 51, and a total of $5.30 for each on Merryfield, making both of them a $12.61 money. I went ahead and grabbed another one because I think even without aisle, this is still a really awesome deal. So I grabbed an additional one priced at $15.99. This one was on a separate transaction, although I don't think it had to be. Getting back $3 on Ibotta, $5.30 on Merryfield, and $6 on the Fetch, bringing that down to only $1.69. So I'm finally picking up my free offer for the First Farm protein bars. They do have 3 different flavors. They're priced at $10.59. You'll get that back through aisle, and then there's also $4 on Ibotta, making this a $4 moneymaker. Last but not least, I went ahead and did the gift card promotion. It's buy 3, get back $5 gift card. So I went ahead and grabbed the adult battery toothbrush at $6.99. The kids was $5.99, and the Tom's toothpaste was $5.99. The total for all 3 is $18.97. I did get back the $5 gift card. As far as Checkoff 51, we got back 4 for the adult, 3 for the kids toothbrush. And then on ta-da, I had the offers clipped, which is the only reason why I was able to still utilize them, because I think mine said they expire on the 5th. So biggest pro tip is to clip it before it expires, and it does save it for you. And so I did get back the 7 on ta-da as well for the same offers, and then $3 for the toothpaste on Ibotta, making all 3 products a $3.03 moneymaker. All right, so with these 3 stores, I literally only have 1 deal per store. The Food for Less deal on the Arm & Hammer is just a repeat deal I've been doing. I did put a post on my community tab. I had to pull it down because they have since changed it, and so it's not as great a deal. However, it is still a moneymaker. So you want to grab 4 of them, price at $129. You'll pay $5.16, getting back $8.73 on BeFrugal, making all 4 a $3.57 moneymaker. Big shout out to Lee Gibson for the deal at Dollar Tree. The Colgate Optic White is still working. They are priced at $1, so you'll pay $2, get back $4 on Checkoff 51. It'll make it a $2 moneymaker, and I did do this deal on my account as well as Joseph's Checkoff 51 account, and both receipts cleared. So I am hoping that it resets for us and doesn't exclude Dollar Tree on Sunday, because if it does, I will definitely be doing this deal. Last but not least is Family Dollar. Now, I haven't been there in forever, but I had to go do this deal. I did see Romy Saves post it. My store only had 2 crystals, so I went ahead and got the detergent, since that's a part of the BeFrugal offer as well, and they're only 25 cents more. So the total for all 4 is going to come to $20.50, which is awesome, because all I needed to hit my threshold on Fetch, which was spend 40 get back 8, but it jumped up to spend 40 get back 16, making it even better. But all I needed to spend was $19.51, I want to say. So this was perfect. So I got back the 18 on Fetch, $19.10 on BeFrugal, $1.25 for each on Checkoff 51, making all four a $21.60 moneymaker, which is so amazing. Now, even if you don't have the fetch offer, it's still going to be a small moneymaker, which is definitely not a bad deal. Now, I know that on these other sister apps, you're only getting back $5. So if that's your option, then I think it makes them like $2.50 for two of them, or $5 for four, which is still not a bad deal. And so with that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. Everything here worked out flipping phenomenal. Like, I didn't have any issues at all today, which was really, really cool. At the same time, I didn't have a ton of coupons either. Now, the buy one, get one free coupon on the sparkling ice self-checkout scanned perfectly fine, which was awesome. The Purcell and the Purox coupons also scanned, no problem. I didn't bring the ice cream out. That's still in the freezer. I'll pop up a picture of it though. I did the Yasso twice, the Florister. So I found this on clearance, you guys. The only store that carries it. Last time I saw it on clearance, it was $11, $12, I think. That was $6, you guys. I know it's definitely seen better days, but for $6 back on Ibotta, $8 on Checkout 51, $8 on inbox dollars, $16 moneymaker, y'all. I don't care how the box look. I don't care. The box could have been empty. My ass would have probably bought it. I might have been joking. That was a flipping awesome deal. I have a ton of receipts that are processing on Be Frugal. By the time it's all done, I should be able to cash out for $100, which is cool. I'll get the extra bonus. I'm so stoked about this haul. All the household products. I get to try another body wash. I got a lot of jerky, but I ain't even gonna front y'all. Only one I've tried is the taco one, which I'm not a huge fan of that one, which is why I didn't get it. I figured these might be better, but I haven't tried any of the jerkies that we've been getting. I haven't tried the protein bars or nothing, so I'm hopefully I can try that stuff this week. Let me know if you guys have tried it. I did try the energy drink at the gym the last 2 days, and it's really good. I really, really liked it. Did I say the Molly Suds? I did get both offers, the 9 and the 7. First time I submitted, I got the 9. Second time I submitted, I got the 7. And then it popped up on Ibotta, and I got back the 2. But it also picked up the pasta again, and I took it off because I claimed it yesterday. So I did send them a little courtesy message. Hey, I took it off, but it still gave it to me. And they said, oh, because you're so nice and so awesome and amazing, Shay. Saving with Shay, we decided to let you keep it. They didn't say all that, but they did say I could keep it, so whatever. Run through my numbers real quick. All right, so everything you see here retails $286.37. We had $9.94 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $276.43. I'm getting back $124.25 for my bot. That's my midweek and my weekend, because I totally forgot today was Thursday. Be Frugal is $73.69. Fetch Reward is $47.60. Aisle is $32.30. Checkout 51, $28.51. Social Nature, $19.24. Merryfield, $15.90. Upromise is $12. Inbox dollars, $8. Ta-da, $7. And Target was a $5 gift card, which I basically wrote into the second transaction, which was the jerky and the protein stuff. And then Walmart was $4.50. Bringing the total back to $377.99, you guys. It's going to make everything you see here free plus $101.56. Did I tell y'all I hit my big bonus? And I got back $50? Like, what am I going to do with myself for the rest of the month? I don't know. Maybe they'll surprise us and give us another bonus. Probably not. But, so yeah, that's awesome. So basically we got like, what, $300 worth of product here? And we got it free, plus we made $100. Like, do you know what I could do with $100? Let me know in the comments what you could do with $100. I could do a lot with $100, especially in these couponing, rebating streets. I could do a lot. But with that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, hype your girl up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.